All right, we're back for a site visit. The tilers have started laying the tiles. So if you want to check it out, don't go anywhere. All right, so I was inside, but I decided to come to the front door and get things rocking and rolling here because I wanted to show you the start position of the tiles, how they get it at the front to work out. You make sure you start with the full tile. So let's flip the camera and let's get into it. So as you can see right here at the front door is when I want to start with the full tile, and then they'll run that all the way through to the back. So that's how they start their full position. Make sure right at your entrance you have your full tile position, and then you can tile the rest of your house around that bad boy right there. Okay, so now we worked out they start over there, they follow it all the way through. I want to show you the next things are the spaces. So these are the spaces that they'll put in between the tiles, in there like that. As you can see, there's one in there like that, and that'll maintain the same space throughout all the floor tiles. And there are different sizes you can get, generally 3 mil, or you can get 1.5 mil as well too. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys is the angle. So this is tiles out here, and in here is going to be carpet. So that angle there is where the tile will stop, up to that, and then they'll be able to carpet up to that. So here's, I've got one in my hand here, so you can see exactly what it is. This is going to be the angle where the tiles will stop and the carpet will begin. So that's that angle right there. Then we'll come over here and I want to show you another one. So this is obviously the bathroom, and this is the bigger angle because in the bathroom needs to be sand and cemented. All right guys, so covering a few things today, the tile start positions, how they keep the spacings correct, and also what happens when it goes from tiles to carpet with the metal angles. So if you know anyone who's interested in how they find the tile start positions or what happens when it goes from tiles to carpet, tag them in the comments below. And if you want me to cover something on an upcoming site visit, definitely let me know. As you can see, the architraves and doors have been done, gyprock's complete. So once those are all finished, then we'll gather those up on a few upcoming site visits. All right guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.